Venus is doing its thing for all my star people. I happen to be a 9 on the numbers as far as the life path. I gotta look again to see what the soul urge, etc. was. Yeah, those numbers do line up. They synchronize with a lot of stuff. There's charts that come with it for everybody who don't know. And if they want to do the numbers, the science on numbers, what's also known as numerology, you have a series of charts. You could go with the Chaldean chart, and these are rows. It's almost designed like a Ouija board, but not quite. There's columns that you got to synchronize the letters with. Like A might be like 1, and then something else. It's not like letter for letter how you would count the alphabet, letter by letter. There's rows and numbers, and you'll have sequences where you have to add up your name first, your whole government, first, middle, and last. Then you have where you are just adding up the consonants, and I think you have one where you're just adding up the vowels. But you do the math on this, you find out who you are real fast with the numbers. I've done this to find out that I was a 9, which was always my favorite number anyway. But and I didn't use the Chaldean chart. I used another kind of chart. I think whatever the standard chart is, I used that, and from there I found out I was a 9, which is the ultimate everyman and the ultimate no one. So magnanimity is a word that I've grown to magnetize towards. So this is what the 9 comes with, and the 9 is a master teacher too, a transcendent master teacher and a psychic, not the godhead of the 7, and not necessarily the world ruler of the 6, but more of an interdimensional and a otherworldly type of entity. I've always felt like I was from somewhere else. As a little kid, feeling like I'm on the wrong planet and all that. You know, even now, you know, I look at the world very, very differently than what I've seen the general populace define it as. Do the numbers, do the knowledge, do the science.